Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we are going to acquire the knowledge to identify the four main directions: north, south, east and west, and also to identify the sub-directions: northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. Directions are used to locate the positions of objects or places in our day-to-day life. In order to perform the activity, we are going to need the following materials from our IntelliSmart box. Take out the two parts of the direction sense test activity board, 4 units of the side stands, 2 units of the central stands, the playing tokens with their bases, the place tags, the board pins, the IntelliBrain tag and the direction sense test activity tag from your direction sense test activity kit. To perform the activity, we first need to assemble our direction sense test board. To do that, flip both the parts over like this and connect them like a jigsaw puzzle. Now fix the 4 side stands in the slits given in the 4 sides of the activity board like this, and the 2 central stands in these slits. Like this. Now hold and press the stands to fit the board tightly. Now flip it over again. And your direction sense test board is assembled. Now choose any playing token and fix it in its base. We can see that the direction sense test board has numbered blocks from 1 to 100. Place the IntelliBrain activity tag in the top left corner slit and the direction sense test tag in the top right corner slit. Place the 2 tags with their names facing towards you. Now take out the place tags and fix them as given in your concept manual over the direction sense test board using the board pins. You can see that we have fixed the 30 place tags on the direction sense test board using the board pins. Now at this, let us perform the activity while playing a game. And there are rules to play this game. Let me tell you the rules of this game. Rule number 1. We can move our playing token on the numbered blocks either upwards, downwards or diagonally. Rule number 2. We cannot cross a block marked as danger zone, under construction or stop. Rule number 3. We can move across a block with any place tag to reach another place. Rule number 4. We must turn out the playing token to face a direction before moving in that direction. Rule number 5. We can take the help of the compass at the top right corner of the board to find the directions. We are ready to perform the activity. And let us consider some situations. We need to move the boy token towards the bus stop. For that, we will first move the boy token 3 steps towards south, then 6 steps towards east. After that, can you tell me in which direction will the boy token be facing? Let's start. To move the boy token towards south, we need to turn the face of the boy token towards south. Then we will take 3 steps towards south and will come at block number 60. Then we need to take 6 steps towards east. For that, first turn the boy token towards the east direction and move 6 steps. Now the boy token is facing the east direction. Now can you tell me in which direction should we rotate the boy token so that it faces the bus stop? The answer is quite obvious. The boy token should face the south direction to go towards the bus stop. Let's try another situation. If the boy token is placed at the bookshop, facing toward the block number 24, if we turn the boy token by 90° clockwise, then 180° anti-clockwise, in which direction will the boy token be facing? To know that, place the boy token at the bookshop such that it faces the block number 24, which is at the south direction. We should know that this is the clockwise direction for the boy token and this is the anti-clockwise direction for the boy token. If we rotate the boy token 90° clockwise, it will face the west direction. Then if we turn the boy token 180° anti-clockwise, it will face the east direction. So the answer to our question is the east direction. Let us do it one last time. If the girl token is placed at the home block facing towards the southwest direction, at which angle should it be rotated to face towards the restaurant? Let's place the girl token at the home block. We should know that this is southwest, this is southeast, this is northeast and this is northwest as per the location of the girl token. Now we need to make the girl token face towards southwest. Which is in this direction. Now the question says at which angle should the girl token be rotated to face the restaurant? We can see that the restaurant is at the block number 29. To face the restaurant, the girl token should be rotated 90° in the anti-clockwise direction. After performing the activity, we are sure that you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts. To identify the four main directions and the sub-directions, understanding of the relative directions and change in directions due to clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation. Now do the activity yourself to understand more about directions. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.